Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Crypto. Today in this video, we are going to learn about how to block someone from our TikTok account. So let's get started. At first, we need to get into the TikTok app. So here it is. Now, we need to search for the account we want to block. So we can simply click on the search bar in the top. Now, we can type the account we want to block. So this is the account. Now, we can see a right facing arrow in the top right corner. We can simply click on it. Now, we can see a block icon in the bottom. We can simply click on the block icon. Now, unblock option. Now, the account we want to block is finally blocked. So now, following these steps, you can easily block anyone from your TikTok account. So that was all for this video. Please do like and subscribe. See you in the next video.